Hello everyone. If you want to know more about the weather, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in the section below. Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about how hail forms. But before we know how hail forms, we first need to know how cumulonimbus clouds form. As you can see here, there's a frontal system that is pushing up warm air into the cumulonimbus cloud. So, cold fronts are when two air masses meet. So, as you can see, cold fronts, they have very dense cold air, so this is dense air, and it's able to push warm light air up. So as this cold front moves in, you can see the warm air getting pushed up by the force of the cold air, and it's forming cumulus clouds to form, and as it gets bigger it will form into cumulonimbus clouds to tower up, and this cumulonimbus cloud produces heavy rainfall and hail and also strong winds in severe weather events. Cold fronts are the biggest cause of severe thunderstorms in the United States, so just remember that. Now we move back to the cumulonimbus cloud. You can see it's matured now, and you can see there's actually a warm updraft which is actually blowing humid air into the cumulonimbus cloud, which means it's actually feeding the cloud with lots of moisture. This moisture is brought up into the clouds very high up. Cumulonimbus clouds, they are very high, so don't forget about that. So it's brought up, and the higher you go, the colder it gets, and you can see the humid air getting blown up by the warm up draft. So now the humid air actually will become very cold and will get mixed with dust particles. As the dust particles surround the water droplets, it will become more round, and it will get bigger and bigger and bigger and freeze into hail balls, because the higher you get, the colder it is. So now look how big it's actually getting. It's getting bigger and bigger, it's freezing, and because it's so big, it will fall down with more force. That's why I see these big hail balls in many countries of the United States. Not only in the United States, in many countries, many places. There's been hail balls, very big hail balls on record, and it has been amazing, people. So you can see the cool down draft is pushing down the hail and the heavy rainfall and all of that has been frozen and now is bringing it down. So that is how hail actually forms. But just remember, not all thunderstorms or not all cumulonimbus clouds will have the ability to form hail. It depends on how strong the cumulonimbus cloud is and how strong it is to produce warm up drafts and cool down drafts. If there's not enough humid air in the atmosphere, then it can't push up any water droplets to form any hail. And obviously without the updraft there's no downdraft. So cumulonimbus clouds, they have this inflow, but why doesn't it actually come up here? You see, warm up drafts, it depends on how much power they have to push it up. So the higher it goes into the atmosphere, the bigger the hail balls take to form, and as big as it gets down and still freezing and keeps freezing. It will actually get bigger than this. So you never know how big hail can be, but you actually just check your weather for your local area, because cumulonimbus clouds can be quite unpredictable. But it depends on how strong the cumulonimbus cloud has and the instability. We'll be talking more about instability in the next videos. So this is how hail actually forms, and I'll be seeing you next time. And I hope you enjoyed the video.